Okay, good morning children. Welcome back. We will continue exercise 4.4, question number 3. Exercise 4.4, question number 3. We completed 1 and 2. Now 3 and 4 are left. This will complete our chapter and then we will do our activity. Yes? This is class 7 I'm talking about. Solve the following. Question number 3 says, solve the following. Let me read the question for you. The question is from Irfan to have. Now, let's have the explanation first. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles. Irfan is saying that he is having how many marbles? 7 marbles. More than 5 times the marbles Parmeet has. So, Irfan is having 7 marbles more. मतलब ज़्यादा यानी plus. More than 5 times. 5 times. मतलब multiplication. 5 times the marble Parmeet is having. Okay, Parmeet is having, and we don't know how many marbles is Parmeet having. Now, if so Irfan is having a total of 37 marbles, then how many marbles Parmeet is having? So, Irfan is having Parmeet's marble multiplied by 5 plus 7, which is equal to Irfan's marbles, that is 37. Okay, so if we assume this as x, let Parmeet's marble be x, then this is the equation, that is x 7 plus 5x, or you can say 5x plus 7 is equal to 37. Okay, so let's write the solution. This is the explanation which you can write before starting, so that you should know how did you solve the question. Now, the solution. What we write first? Let Parmeet's marble be x. Let Parmeet's marbles be x. Then Irfan's marbles, or we can also write according to the question then. What is that? 7 more than 5 times of Parmeet's marble, which is equal to Irfan's marbles. Okay, we will solve this equation. First, this 7 will be transposed to the RHS. So 5x is equal to, it is positive, it becomes negative. 5x is equal to 30. Now 5 will transpose to the RHS. It is a multiplication, it will become division. So the value of x is equal to 6. So Parmeet is having how many marbles? 6 marbles. And how many marbles Irfan is having? 5 into 6, 30 plus 7, 37. Can you see? Yes. So our answer is correct. Now we start with the second one, that is Lakshmi mental age. So this completes first one. We have to start the second one. Let me read the question for you all. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. So Lakshmi's father is how many years old? 49 years old. Lakshmi's age. Okay, means if you multiply 3 to Lakshmi's age and add 4, you will get whose age? Lakshmi's father's age, that is 49. What is Lakshmi's age? So we have to find the Lakshmi's age. So what we will write? Let Lakshmi's age be x, and then we get the equation 4 plus 3x is equal to 49. Or you can write 3x plus 4 is equal to 49. Okay, so this is the explanation of the question. We are going to solve now. Let Lakshmi's age be x. Then Lakshmi's father's age is equal to how much? 4 times 4 more than 3 times Lakshmi's age, which is equal to 49. Here Lakshmi's father's age. Okay. Now we write 4 plus 3x is equal to 49. 4 transposed to the RHS. 4 becomes negative because it is positive. It gives us 45. 3 transposed to the RHS. It becomes division because it is a multiplication. So x is equal to 45 divided by 3. So x is equal to 3 times 3, 3 times 15. So Lakshmi's age is how much? 15 years. This completes the second part. Let's start the third part. From people till 77. Now, people of Sundargram planted trees in the village garden. Okay, there are people of Sundargram. There is a place named as Sundargram. They have planted trees in their village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees. Some of them were fruit trees. The number of non-fruit trees, मतलब कुछ fruit वाले हैं, कुछ non-fruit वाले. Fruit वाले like for example you can take mango, banana, apple, okay, like this. And non-fruit like for example ashok, okay, something like that. So the number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. So non-fruit trees. Non-fruit trees were equal to how much? 2 more than. 2 more than. 3 times the number of fruit trees. 3 times the number of fruit trees. Clear? Non-fruit trees are 2 more than 3 times fruit trees. तो ये हमको solve करना है. Okay. And what was the number of fruit trees planted if non-fruit trees is 77? यानी कि this is given to equal to 77. So we have to find what? Fruit trees. Non-fruit is given, we have to find fruit trees. Okay. So we presume this as x. We assume, not presume, we assume it as x. So this is our equation. 2 plus 3x is equal to 77. Okay. So what we will write? Let the fruit trees be x. multiplication, it will become division. X is equal to 77 divided by 75 divided by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So the value of x is 25. That means the number of fruit trees was 25 and non-fruit was 77. Now let's start question number 4. Oh, it's a riddle. Solve the following riddle. Let's start. Question number 4, we have to solve the riddle. I am a number. I am a number, but I don't know which number, so we put a dash. Tell my identity. Yes, let it be x. Take me 7 times over means multiply by 7. 7 times over. Add a 50. And add a 50 to it. To reach the triple century, to reach matlab this is equal to triple century. Triple century matlab 3 bar 100, 100, 100, 100. Okay, that is 300. Okay, so to reach the triple century, you need 40. Means if you add 40 to this, it becomes what? Triple century. Okay, this is what is being said in the last statement. What is said? To reach a triple century means all this is equal to 300. All this is equal to 300 when you need a 40 over here. Got it? So this is your equation. Okay. So let this I be x. Then x into 7, 7x plus 50 plus 40 is equal to 300. This becomes 90. 7x plus 90 is equal to 300. 90 transposes to the RHS. It is what? Positive. So it becomes negative. So 7x is equal to 300 minus 90. Now we subtract 390. It's 210. 210. Okay. Now 7 transposes to the RHS. It is in multiplication. It becomes division. So x is equal to 210 divided by 7, which gives us 30. So this I is what? 30. Got it? So the answer is 30. So this was the very last chapter question of chapter 4. We completed chapter 4, that is our PT1 portion. Now within 2-3 days, children, I am going to give you the project in your WhatsApp group. Got it? I will be giving you a project within 2-3 days because I am still doing with 6th class. Let me finish with 6th, then I will go to 7th. After 7th, I go ahead with 8th. Okay. So see that you complete your work till here. Tomorrow we are going to start a new chapter. Okay, that is chapter 5. Have a good day.